Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you can't see the Call of Duty on your Google Play Store. So as you can see, if I write Call of Duty, I don't see it right here in this list. So to fix that, we'll need to go to our settings of our Google account, then prompt the family like that, go to parental controls and simply disable it. From here you will need to enter the PIN code. So I know mine, so I'm just gonna input it and then press OK. Now if we go back and then write Call of Duty again, it shows right here and I can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.